Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a neem oil, extract neem oil and add camphor in the coconut oil. So this blend or this mixture of the neem oil, camphor and coconut oil serve as a mosquito repellent or a small insect repellent, and also if you have a mosquito bite or a small insect bite, you can still apply this oil to soothe your skin, or even if this oil also help in small itching or some other skin related problems. So let's start to make a neem oil. Hello, today I would like to show you that I'm going to make a oil which is from the dry neem leaves. These are the plant and these are the neem plants leaf which I have already dried and stored in my very sophisticated, these leaves dried without the sun. And here I have a camphor pieces. So this is like it comes in a cube. I'm going to open it right now. And I have here coconut oil. So coconut oil and neem leaf extract and with camphor in the oil. That oil can be used to apply on the skin when the mosquito bite or some small bugs. Often we come outside and then there are many mosquitoes bite. I will show you the picture after this, so how they look like. So what I'm going to do here, you can open this, take some leaves. If you do not have dry leaves, that is why I do not have here right now fresh leaves. So even fresh leaves will not work, you have to dry it, because fresh leaf have some moisture and water, so you have to remove all the moisture and water from the neem leaves. And neem is very good, neem leaves is very good for this work as a mosquito repellent, or it give relief from the itching. So you can break it also inside like this one. So take some neem leaves in the clean and dry glass bottle. Now I will keep this for the next time. Still, here you can see I started drying in August 5th this year, and now I'm going to save this one for next time. Next is I have to fill this with this coconut oil. Coconut oil is this organic coconut oil, it's not synthetic. This will be enough. Next is here I have this camphor. So camphor is very good also for if you have any mosquito bite or insect bite. Usually these are the comes like a small pieces like this one, cubes. So I'm going to add directly into 2 cubes will be enough for this one, and I will keep safe for the next time. And that's it. So now I have to heat them in the water bath. Keep shaking very well, and then after that I will heat. So let's go for heating. So now I have here all set up. One bowl you need, one strainer and one cover. So this is my glass bottle. It have, you can see the white pieces of camphor, and I'm going to press it in all these leaves into oil before heating in the water. And also always use a wooden spatula or wooden stick, just like I'm using here. Don't use any metal or plastic. So here I have water in the bowl, then start heating. So once it will start boiling, we will put this bottle into, and meanwhile you need to press all the leaves into oil so that they can all submerge in very nicely. And also camphor must be broken, you can see this white piece. You can see I broke all these small pieces. This white piece is camphor, so I'm breaking that as well. And also dry leaves are really dry, they are getting crushed and extracted completely, submerged completely almost in the coconut oil. Coconut oil I always use because it's really good for soothing our skin. It penetrates in the skin very easily and I like it. So this is ready. Just close the lid tightly, put this into water bath. It will be heat steam. The oil and camphor both will heat and it will remain inside. So the camphor I will not open until it will be cooled down. So let's start closing this, and water will start boiling after some time. Then camphor and neem leaf extract will go into the coconut oil. That will enrich our coconut oil. So I will wait till it start boiling, and then after some time, it may take 20 to 30 minutes. Then we have to cool it. Now you can see vapors are forming inside, and it's all cloudiness is coming in the glass bowl. I put the glass bowl so that I can see. If you do not have glass bowl, you can put something else or metal also. That will be okay. So we will see after some time once it will be boiling. So now you can see water start boiling and it's coming outside. So I will slow down the heating and we'll leave it for 15-20 minutes. Make sure water will remain always inside, and I will open the bottle only when it will be cooled down. So we will wait and watch after 20 minutes. It would be very quick extraction, does not take too much time and very easy to make it. So now you can see I switched off and it's cooled down, and if you see I tilt this and this all green color, it came into the coconut oil. So I will leave a little bit cool down. It's already lukewarm, so now it's time to filter it and store in the brown bottle. So now you can see it's a little bit lukewarm, not very cold, not very hot, and I can see the oil is slightly green in color, if you see here, which is very nice. Now I can filter it. If you want, you can leave it the leaves inside, but you can also filter it. Now you can see this, all the green color oil is coming, and we can store. I think my bottle is going to be filled very soon. This small bottle is filled, so I will leave some of the oil is still here, but now you can see this bottle is completely filled, so I cannot fill more than this one. I think this will be enough, or let's add a little bit more. It's almost done. I think this was almost probably 100 ml. I think this bottle, hardly it is coming out. And if I will smell it, let's see how the smell is coming. I can smell the camphor and some neem smell in this oil. Yes, so I can smell camphor and neem, so which is good. This oil is like it will work as a mosquito repellent, as well as if a mosquito has bite or a small insect bite, we can apply to get some soothing effect quickly. So now we can keep a store, at least within a 1 month it will be over, so we can keep it 1 month or more than, and whenever I need it we can make more. Thank you for watching.